Well, I think the chum bag's doing its job. There's a little baby mud crab. And a toadfish. Pretty cool. Just casted this rod out. It's already getting little nibbles. This rod's going. I'm on. Okay, fish on, guys. Oh, it's decent. This. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, I thought I had that. You're joking. You're joking. Time I'll be ready. Have the net with me. Right here. Man, that was big. These things are bigger than what I caught. I feel bigger than the shark. That sucks. My drag's tight too. Seriously is fishing. Sucks, but that's what it is. Where it is, where's my rod holder? There it is. And sit back and do the waiting game. I moved over a little bit to my bigger rod so I can set the hook straight away. And yeah, see if what happens. Don't want to lose my leader because that's last leader I own. So yeah. Pringles. I'm on again. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh wait, no. This one I'm not losing. I swear to God if I lose this. Oh, this is big. It's going where the boat is. No! Fire out. Oh, you're kidding me. You're joking. They're out for barely at any time and they get flippin' smoked. I upgraded and I've got 3 hooks and it looks like a schmozzle. I'm on. You on? Yep. I'm on. Yep. Oh, it's a shark.
It's a big old shark.
Yep, that one, speed run, wide, one. Ethan, oh, you...
It came off?
No, you're kidding me.
Yep.
Just give it everything you got. Pump and wind, pump and wind, pump and wind. Go, mate, go.
This is my first time catching a shark.
Go, give it everything you got, mate. I wind this one in. Keep going.
It's a monster.
Just go, keep going. Yes, mate.
Oh yeah, send me this video.
Come over, go on top. Go over. You just go. It's just there. Oh, I see colour. Go, mate, go. Oh, there it is. It's a nice one.
It's a decent one.
Okay, come on. Bring it in, mate. Yes!
Best fish on the rod.
First cast. Oh, well, not really.
Second cast. Holy.
Okay, mate. I'll just have to...
Oh, now we fight.
That's that. Oh, just get out. Ah!
What?
Oh, it bit me. Far
You
out.
okay?
My heart skipped a beat. It bit me on the finger.
Hold on.
One of the gang hooks. Now the second part of the gang got in.
Yeah, just let him have a
Grab
look.
your rod, mate. Grab your
Oh,
rod.
yeah,
Stand,
yeah,
stand.
Oh, got it.
Still filming?
Yeah.
This is as close as I hope I ever get to another bull shark now. Oh, come on, mate. He's barely hooked. There we go.
See ya, bud?
So when you run down, it's smooth, but then when you go back up, it's like sandpaper.
Yeah.
See you, bud.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
You're gonna get yourself beached, bud.
Turn him around.
You turn him around.
I can't.
I'm not gonna touch this. See what he tried doing to me?
He had your net for a second. There you go. And he's off. Woo!
He's on again. I was about to throw my net. And he's on again. Do you want me to wind my line in?
Yeah.
Go, mate. Go, 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 go. Literally just about to throw my cast net.
It's a big one. This one feels a lot bigger. Oh, I see him.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Come back here.
don't haul it. Oh, never mind, haul it in.
He's on.
Let me go grab the pliers.
2 bull sharks.
Next one, I'm going to have to catch one. You've caught more than me in the smaller period of time than me.
I've been here for what? Half it?
Not even.
25 minutes? I reckon I've been here for about 25 minutes. Oh, it's a heavy boy. Oh. I just rocked the bunch.
Oh, come on.
What?
Throw my net now. That was okay-ish. If anything was there, we'd get it, I reckon. Nothing. Nada. Her. was pretty crap. Imagine if I were to get a bull shark in my cast net. Oh, I got a little, my net's tangled and I got a silver biddy.
Oh, sweet. I'll bring that back out.
Oh wait, no, it's a brim, my bad.
Oh,
Okay.
I got him.
See you, buddy.
Okay, buddy. You ready?
Nice. Throw my net just here.
Okay, so the first one really
That's a pancake.
and tame. Like, fish fun-wise, the first one wasn't that good. The fish got cute. That wasn't a good fish. They had to give me another one.
Oh, and I got a little. Oh, fire! I keep forgetting what these ones names are called.
Wait,
I believe they're.
Sergeant Major.
Oh yeah.
Looks like Sergeant Majors.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. I believe that's what it is. Vroom!
Whoa!
He went off like a bloody rocket.
Is that what the thing you call in your cast net was?
I got a big one of those. Yeah.
Oh.
This thing's my rod's moving.
Okay, first one is
Starting it slowly pulling. Yep. Yep, I'm filming. No, are you kidding me?
You're joking!
Always on my rod, they snap off.
I bet you that you look to hit.
Yep, I bet you the same thing.
Yep.
Far out Brussels sprouts.